So let's say you just woke up and you wanna eat something. But you only slept 2 hours and you need someone to prepare a dish for you. Well, there comes the auto pan, the automatic pan, which will scramble your eggs in the blink of an eye. So let's take a look at the plugin and see what we can cook inside. So as you can see, it's not exactly a pan, but an oven. Holy days, they lied to us. But it doesn't matter, because in oven you can cook not only eggs, but your beets. So while placing your sample, you probably want to position it in the middle of the oven so that every part of your dish will be evenly baked. Not always. Listen, your mix will sound like a big mess if you put everything into one place. So you should always position the elements of your mix in a stereo place. For example, while making drums, you can position some hi-hats to play from the left to right channel. Or you can put some open hi-hat in the right channel and a tom roll in the left channel, so that everything sounds natural, like you were on a stage. So let's finally use this oven and add some natural flavor to our beats. So let's start from the first knob on the left. This is the amount knob and it's used to increase the temperature inside the oven. Simply speaking, it's the amount of the LFO. So as we increase it, you can see that it creates some DNA shapes, sine waves. This area allows you to see the wave shape of your LFO. And the basic function of the autopan is to move your sound left and right and left and then repeat. Another knob represents the speed of our LFO. So to make it sync with our host tempo, let's click this button here. So another knob can be used to offset the waveforms for the left and right channel. Simply, it allows you to switch from panning effect to a volume automation so you can easily make your future bass chords. Underneath, we have phase and spin knobs, which are a different offset methods. Phase moves the whole waveform left and right, but the spin has its anchor point at the start. So the shape knob allows you to adjust the shape of your cupcakes. And underneath the shape knob we have shape buttons to change the shape of the LFO from sine wave to triangle, sawtooth and random. And with this last button you can invert the phase. So let's jam.